Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist and also a beauty creator. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this simple everyday makeup look. Oh god, okay. And first of all, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer all over my face, and I'm gonna massage my face a little bit to spray this product. And next, I'm gonna apply my favorite foundation at the moment, and this is by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply all over my face with a damp beauty blender. What is left in the blender, I'm gonna apply in my neck and in my chest as well, just to balance the color. And next step is to apply concealer. I'm using this very light shade under my eyes, and also everywhere I want to highlight my face, I applied just a little bit of product because this color is too light for my skin. Ooh, I'm using today a matte concealer, so it dries so fast. That's why I have to apply the concealer and blend it quickly. And next, I'm gonna apply contour all over my face. Today, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Tinture Contour, and this is the shade Fair. This is a full coverage product. That's why I like to apply a few drops of the Rose Gold Elixir by Farsali. So I mix these products together and I apply all over. I want to contour and create more depth in my face. Also, to blend, I'm gonna use the same beauty blender that I was using before to blend the concealer and my foundation. By the way, these beautiful contact lenses that I'm using are from Desio Eyes, and this is the shade Mind Touch. Desio Eyes is a luxury brand from Italy, and I love the contact lenses because the colors are very beautiful and natural. They are very comfortable in the eyes, and they just launched a new collection. So make sure to follow me on Instagram to see the news, and also make sure to go to Desio Eyes Instagram to see all the beautiful colors if you are interested. For blush, I'm gonna use the lipstick by Huda Beauty in my cheeks, and I'm gonna blend also using the same beauty blender as before. And next, I'm gonna apply Laura Mercier translucent powder all over my face, and I'm gonna apply in excess in a few areas of my face where I want to bring more light. And to set the contour, I'm gonna use a bronzer by Too Faced Cosmetics. This is the Chocolate Soleil in the shade Medium Deep. I'm gonna apply using the same brush that I applied as powder in my face. And next, also using the same brush, I'm gonna apply blush in my face, and this is a powder version. This is by The Balm Cosmetics, and it's very pigmented and very colorful. I really love this color. I think it's so beautiful and bring more life to my face. The same bronzer that I applied in my face, I'm gonna apply also in my eyes to create more depth and dimension. And to apply this color, I'm using a small blending brush. What is left in this brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line as well, just to help to create the cat eye shape for my eyes. But today I'm not gonna use any eyeliner or something. I just want to pull this eyeshadow out, as you see here. And now I'm gonna apply Melt Cosmetics highlighter. This is the shade Stargazer. I love this highlighter so much, and I'm using just a little tiny bit in a very small brush to apply in the highest points of my face, as you can see here. This little trick is very good for pictures, so I'm gonna apply also in the tear duct area of my eyes and below of my brows to create a lifting effect in my face. And now I'm gonna use a eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows. I'm using the dark shade by Sigma Beauty. It looks very natural, as you can see here. And for a little more shimmer, I'm gonna apply a cream highlighting shade all over the eyelid. As you can see here, I'm gonna apply it with the tip of my fingers to make it easier and also beautiful. With the same highlighter that I'm using in my eyes and in the highest points of my face, I'm gonna apply also in the cheekbones with the big fluffy brush by Sigma. So I just applied my fake lashes, and now I'm gonna apply mascara by Maybelline, and this is the Colossal. And for my lips, I'm gonna use a lip contour. By the way, this is the natural shade of my lips. I never did any type of pigmentation in my lips. This is the natural color. And for this look, I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip tint in the center of my lips and a lip gloss by George Cosmetics on top. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see me live. Sometimes I like to go live on Instagram. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And I see you in the next videos. Mwah. Bye.